today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a blog post in Systeme.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new post, set up the key details, and build out the content using the visual editor. First, let's create the post entry. In your dashboard, go to Blogs and click on the name of the blog you want to work with. On the left, open the Posts tab, then click the Create button at the top right. You'll see a few fields to fill in. Start with the title, which is the headline of your article. Make it clear, specific, and focused on what readers will learn. Using the main keyword naturally here helps with search and clicks. Next, add a short description. Think of this as a succinct summary that appears on your main blog page. 1 or 2 sentences is perfect. Set expectations and highlight the benefit of reading. For the URL path, choose a simple, readable slug like my first post. Keep it short, all lowercase, and use hyphens instead of spaces or special characters. A clean URL looks professional and is easier to share. Then upload an image to serve as the thumbnail. Pick a high-quality, on-brand image that's easy to recognize at a small size. Aim for good contrast and minimal text so it stays legible. When everything looks good, click Create to save the post entry. Now let's edit the content. Click on the title of the post you just created to open the editor. On the left-hand panel, you'll find elements like text, images, and videos. Drag these onto the page to build your layout. Start with a strong opening paragraph that hooks the reader, then add text blocks for your main points. Use headings to break up sections and keep paragraphs short for readability. If you're including visuals, drag in an image or video element where it supports your message, and position it near the relevant text. To fine-tune the look, click on any text block to adjust fonts, colors, and sizes. Keep your font choices consistent and use color intentionally, like a single accent color for emphasis. Make sure there's enough contrast between text and background for accessibility. You can also adjust spacing to create a clean, scannable layout, and drag blocks up or down to reorder your content as needed. As you work, save regularly so nothing gets lost. When you're satisfied with the structure, formatting, and flow, click Save Changes. That's it. You've created your post entry, built the content with drag and drop elements, styled it for clarity, and saved your work in Systeme.io.